When it comes to conducting a boundary survey in Bangalore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the company you can rely on. Located in Marathahalli, Bangalore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a trusted name in the field of land surveying and mapping services. With their team of experienced surveyors and state-of-the-art equipment, they provide accurate and reliable boundary surveys to meet the needs of their clients. A boundary survey is an essential step in any land development or property transaction process. It involves determining the exact boundaries of a property by conducting a detailed survey and analysis of the land. This survey helps in resolving any disputes or discrepancies that may arise regarding the property boundaries. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd specializes in providing comprehensive boundary surveys that adhere to the highest professional standards. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of accuracy and precision when it comes to boundary surveys. Their team of skilled surveyors utilizes advanced surveying techniques and equipment to ensure that every measurement is precise and reliable. They also take into account various factors such as existing land records, historical data, and legal documents to ensure that the boundary survey is conducted in accordance with local regulations and laws. By choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your boundary survey needs, you can be assured of receiving a thorough and detailed survey report. Their team meticulously documents all the findings of the survey, including precise measurements, reference points, and any relevant observations. This comprehensive report can be used as legal evidence in case of any disputes or legal proceedings related to the property boundaries. In addition to their expertise in boundary surveys, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of other land surveying services. These include topographic surveys, construction staking, GPS surveys, and utility mapping, among others. With their vast experience in the field, they have successfully completed numerous projects for clients across different industries. If you are in need of a boundary survey in Bangalore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the company to contact. Located in Marathahalli, Bangalore, they are easily accessible and can provide their services throughout the city. Whether you are a homeowner looking to resolve a boundary dispute or a real estate developer planning a new project, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the expertise and resources to meet your surveying needs. In conclusion, when it comes to conducting a boundary survey in Bangalore, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the company you can trust. With their experienced team of surveyors and advanced equipment, they provide accurate and reliable boundary surveys that adhere to the highest professional standards. Contact Scon Design India Pvt Ltd in Marathahalli, Bangalore for all your boundary survey needs and ensure that your property boundaries are accurately defined.